Hey everybody, so you know this video? Yeah, that's the one. That is this mouse right here, because it has a certain feature that allows it to do crazy things like that. More on that later. As you can see in my little studio, I have a few additions. We have this guy, we have a light over there, and I have some lights up here. You can't see them, but they're there. Let's just get right into opening this guy. Here we go. Nice, here. We have the mouse, but I'm going to put that aside for now. Look at that in a little bit. First, let's see what else is in the box. As per usual, we have the Logitech G sticker, a manual, and that's all that's inside the box. Also, in a little while, I will compare the G502 to another mouse that I've opened on this channel, the Logitech G402. Now let's take a look at the mouse. Now, before I open this, here's a few things about it. It has a 16,000 DPI Logitech Hero sensor, and it also weighs 121 grams without the cable. Now, this does also come with adjustable weights, so I'm not sure if that includes that. I can put that on the screen right now. And with that being said, the Logitech G502 Hero. This is the mouse. As you can see, this comes with, obviously, the mouse itself. I'm assuming this is the weight case. Yes, this is the case with the weights in it. It also comes with what seems to be a little startup guide, as well as safety information. That is all that comes in it. Here is the mouse. The Logitech G502. Now, it has a certain feature, infinite scrolling. If you press this button right here, I haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna try it now. I've never done this before, so this is gonna feel cool. It keeps on scrolling. That's like the big feature of this mouse. This is why this is a very, very infamous mouse in the community. This, it's back to normal. It locks in place again. This mouse has 11 programmable buttons. It is crazy. So let's see if we can find them all. Let's see, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm assuming that scrolling up and down is 10 and 11. That is awesome. Going to the bottom of the mouse, you can see it has some nice mouse feet. It says G502 Hero at the bottom. I figured it out. So, from right here on this side of the mouse, if you pull this, it just opens right up. So, let's try adding the weights. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weights you can add on this. If you try adding some, you can see there are little arrows inside the mouse, little crevices that you can have to put them weights inside the mouse. I'm not going to do that right now though, because I prefer lighter mice. This mouse is 5.2 by 2.95 inches. Let's compare this to Logitech G402 Hyperion Fury. As you can see, these two are both very similar in shape. Rubberized side grip on the side goes all the way along to the bottom here. You can see this on the G402 and on the G502. It has the new and updated Logitech G logo compared to this one, which has the old one. So all we have left to do is plug this guy in. There we go. This has full RGB with 16.8 million colors that you can fully customize in the software. As you can see, the G lights up as well as these guys, so I'm assuming you can do to change the DPI. As you can see, the little light indicators change, and also so does the color on the Logitech G logo. I think that is about it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.